Hello, my sugar plums. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, this video is going to be all about last minute Christmas gift. Now, I'm going to be transforming this old little box. This is a cardboard box, guys. I bought something a while ago and I love the box, so I kept it. I'm going to be transforming it into a jewelry box. Now, this is a gift that you can give to like someone that maybe in their teen, you know, they have some jewelry and stuff like this. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the little velvety plastic that's inside because we don't need it, and I'm gonna be using some gold leaf to make this box. Now you're gonna be using your gilding adhesive to do that, and also guys, if you don't have gold leaf and at hand and you don't want to go and buy it, you can use just regular Mod Podge and some like really fine gold glitter to make it. It will have like the same effect, I think. And all I'm doing right now, I'm gonna be using my glue all around. I'm gonna be doing the top and the side, and then the bottom part and the inside part we'll be doing later because we have to do it in two parts. And also I have those that little beautiful hair clip. It's a bow hair clip, and all I'm gonna be doing, guys, because this box I want to have like a jewelry box that look like have that antique distressed type of look. So I choose this black beautiful with champagne stone hair clip, and this is gonna be the handle for the box. Excuse me. And I'm gonna go ahead and lightly use my glue on certain part and make sure that I still have some of the black part showing, because that's what's gonna give it the antique look. And all I'm gonna be doing right now, once my glue is sticky after 30 minutes, I'm gonna be using my gold leaf all over sorry again, I'm gonna be using my gold leaf all over the jewelry box and the hair clip. And this is also one way, guys, you can revamp like your old clips for hair by adding some gold leaf in it and give it a fresh look. Now all I'm doing right now, after I'm putting my leaf on top of it, I'm just gonna go and polish it down. Now because the clip I'm using have like a little bit of holes in it, it's almost like a filigree type of hair clip. I'm gonna make sure I press it down to have the gold really nicely and stick in it. And then after I finish polishing it, guys, I'm gonna put it aside because we'll be using it later, and I'll be showing you how it looks. You have that very beautiful gold antique look on it. It looked like it was something that's been there for a while, and you have like that beautiful little black peeking through. It's gonna be so beautiful, guys. And I'm gonna be doing the same thing for the box also. I'm gonna polish it down and make sure that I have that little bit of distressed black look peeking through, because again you need to have that little antique type of look. And all I will be doing after I finish polishing my gold, and make sure, guys, you don't throw away the scrap of gold that you remove when you add this into your box, because you will be able to use it again for another project. Now I'll be doing the bottom part and the inside part a little bit later. Now for the top part, I'm gonna be showing you, I'm gonna be using those beautiful brooches that I have from Totally Dazzled, and I also will be using that beautiful hair clip also I bought this, guys, about like 2 or 3 years ago. I bought a pair of them, and I never got to use both of them because I only used that one, and it never tarnished. I got this from eBay, guys, a while ago. I'm gonna be using that beautiful bow and not bow, that beautiful heart and arrow hair clip for the top part, and also those beautiful brooches from Totally Dazzled. And guys, I highly suggest that you use either X6000 or a very strong adhesive to glue your jewels on top of your the box, because you need to make sure that it stays in. Please do not use hot glue because you're going to be using it on top of the gold. You don't want to mess up that part. So use either E6000 or any strong adhesive that you have. And I'm going to go ahead and use just a little bit of E6000 and glue my jewelry on top. First, I went and used the hard part, and then to make sure the hour stay on the hard, I'm using a little bit of hot glue to hold it down. And then but I'm gonna go over where I have the arrow connect with the heart. I'm gonna be using E6000 to make sure you have a permanent hold onto it. And then for the inside part, because I want to fill the inside with the jewel, that's where I'm gonna be using the brooches that I have from Totally Dazzle. I'm gonna fill the inside with those 3 colored brooches, and then once I finish doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and let it cure for about like 30 minutes. And once the glue is completely cured, I will go and add my little hair clip, the bow one, for the handle on the box. And I'm gonna let it cure, and then when it's cure again after another 30 minutes, that's when I'm gonna go and add the glue for the inside of the box and the bottom part to make to add the gold leaf on the inside, because we want the whole box to be very have that gold look into it. This is a very, very easy box to do, guys. I literally do it in like 2 hours, because I had to wait for the glue to cure and then the E6000, because you have to do it in like section, and so that's why it took me about 2 hours to do. So it's a very, very easy DIY to do. Again, guys, if you don't have the gold leaf to do that, and if you don't want to wait to buy it on Amazon, since it's already super late for Christmas, it's gonna be really, really soon. So make sure that you can do it with just Mod Podge and glitter, and you can have the same effect. And also, guys, you can use any type of like jewel for the top part or the handle. Again, guys, it's up to you. Anything that you have in hand, already at your house, you can use. And this gift will be a perfect gift for like a teenager, guys. Trust me, they will love it. Alright, guys, now that we finished adding our gold, before adding the inside part, I'm gonna go ahead and seal everything with my sealer, so that way the gold is not gonna chip away anytime soon. It's gonna seal and stay beautiful, and also it have like that beautiful glossy shine to it. It make the box pop, the gold on the box pop a whole lot. And I'm showing you that I have like some little bit of distress part on it where the black peeking through, so that way you have that beautiful antique gold type of look. Now for the inside part, I'm gonna be using that silvery glittery sheet that I got a while ago. I'm using them, and I got those from Amazon, guys. I think they call laser cut glitter sheet, something like this. I don't have the link for it. I cannot find it, but I'll try to find it for you guys. If I can find it, I'll add it for you. And then I've add them on the 4 corners. And then for the inside, I went and measured and cut a little bit of a piece of mirror. And all I'm gonna be using, I'm just gonna be using a hot glue to glue it to the bottom part, and that's it. It's done. It's a beautiful, very easy jewelry box to make, guys, and it came out looking so beautiful. So again, guys, this is a one last minute gift that you can give to like a teenager, and they will absolutely love it. And guys, I'll be posting another video as well that I'm gonna be showing how to make a fancier type of jewelry box that you can give to more like an adult or an older kid. And it's a little bit more advanced the way I'm gonna be doing it, because I'm gonna be using epoxy to make part of it. So make sure you check out this video also, guys. It's gonna be uploaded again today as well, guys. And that's it, guys. This is that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. And again, guys, it's a last minute gift that you can do. You can do it all as well with gold glitter and Mod Podge if you don't have the gold leaf, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you do, don't forget to give me a like, comment on this video, share it with your friend and family. Also, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. That will help me a whole lot, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Again, I'll see you soon for the other video. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you have your notification bell turned on. Again, guys, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate all your love and support. And as always, guys, be blessed and stay blessed. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye. Mwah.
Yeah, well, there's never a care for tomorrow.